are or the. Which article are you supposed to use? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use are or the in the English language. Okay, so let's get started. Well, let's learn how to use are and the. Remember, articles, we have are, the, and an, which is a and n. But today we are going to understand how to use are and they. Mweno video tugenda kutegera tukozesezaawa are oba the mu sentences zaffe mu Luzungu oba nga twogera Oluzungu. Remember, articles are words which appear before nouns. Once again, articles are words which appear before nouns. This means they are placed before writing the name of anything. Remember, we said a noun is a name given to anything. For example, a cup, a boy, a pencil, and you can name it. Okay, so noun ge manya g'ebintu bwe. For example, ekikopo, omulenzi. So mu Luzungu tuba tuwandika ekintu kimu, singular thing or singular noun, tuwandikako kano ka article. Article ye a oba an, kisinzira nga we twalaba okozesa a and an in the previous video. So articles kitegeeza obugambo bateeka nga tebannawandika linnya lya kintu mu Luzungu, ye articles in English. So articles, they indicate if the noun is specific or general. So noun being specific or general. For example, a cup. So a cup is a general name. But once you say the cup, which means you are specific about the exact cup you want, as we're going to see in these examples. So a noun being specific is that you know what you are talking about. For example, you don't generalize it. But if you say, I want a man, it means any man can come. So that noun is general because you've said a man or a cup. But once you say, I need the cup, you need the cup, the person will ask you which cup exactly, because you need the cup you have knowledge and you understand clearly. So you mean the cup. So the cup is specific. So once you use the, it means you are specific. Ekintu kyogerako okimanyi, omanyi the exact thing you need. Naye okozesa a cup kitegeeza ekintu kyogerako you are not sure exactly, but omanyi kimu kikopo. So ekikopo kyonna kyonna kiyinza okuweebwa once you use a cup. But once you say the cup, ekikopo ekikuweebwa kye kyoba oyagala okunyweramu oba kye kyoba oyagala okukozesa. So a specific thing, it means the exact thing. General, it means anything. Okay, so obugambo bwe bateeka ewasooka ku mannya mu Luzungu bwe tuyita articles in English. Hope we are together. So in other words, articles bwe bugambo bwe bateeka ewasooka ku mannya mu Luzungu nga wenkulaze wano mu example yange. Okay, tutandike na the. How do we use they? So they is a definite article. Definite article, it means identifies a specific noun. Once again, they is a definite article which identifies a specific noun, as I've earlier explained above. So a specific noun, it means the noun is known and clear to the user. So a noun oba erinnya ly'oba oyogerako omanye kyekintu exactly kikyoba oyogerako. Okitegeera bulungi kye bayita definite article. Definite article, it pinpoints out the what exact thing, to what exact noun you are talking about. Whereas indefinite article, it pinpoints a general noun. Once again, indefinite article, it identifies a general noun whose identity is not clear or not known to the user. So bw'obanga oyogera ku muwala and you say a girl, kitegeeza you are not clear about the exact girl you are talking about. But once you say the girl, it means you are clear and you know the girl you are talking about. So that is the difference between definite article and indefinite article. So indefinite articles, we have a and an. But today we are going to look at a and the. So the is a definite article. It points out to something that you have knowledge about. Whereas indefinite article, they show general noun. They show general noun. Remember, once you use a and an, we are talking about a singular noun or a singular item. Okay, so let's have some examples and you further understand what I'm talking about. For example, once you use the, tukozesa tutya the, an example, I want the plate. Are we together? I want the plate. So once you use I want the plate, this means you know the exact plate you want. Tebagenda kubuzabuza na sowaani ddala bagenda kuwa esowaani eyo gy'oba omanyi bw'okozesa I want the plate tinjagala esowaani eri. Kitegeeza esowaani gy'oyogerako ogimanyi. Once you use I want the plate, era oli agenda kubuuza which plate kubanga you've used the, so you are pinpointing out to that exact plate that you do want to use. It means you know the plate that you want to use. But once you use a and you say I want a plate, it means you are not specific and any plate can be given to you. So once you say I want a plate, it's like you saying I want to use any plate because you are not specific. But once you say I want the plate, this shows that you have knowledge about the exact plate that you want to use. So wogamba I want a plate, kitegeeza njagala esowaani yonna yonna eyinza okuweebwa, naye wogamba I want the plate, nze njagala esowaani eri. So you pinpointed out, olaze esowaani, ekika ky'esowaani ky'oyagala okukozesa. So the eraga ky'oyagala exactly, whereas a eraga general thing gy'oba oyogerako. So your difference between using a and they. Okay, let's go to another example. Example 2 says, that is the man. That is the man. So once you say that is the man, it means you know the man you want, or you know the man you are talking about. But once you say that is a man, this shows that any man can be brought for you. Once you say that is a man, you are not specific about the man you are talking about. Once you say that is the man, oyo ye musajja, which means omumanyi, omutegeera bulungi, oyo ye musajja eyakola ekintu. But wogamba that is a man, oyo musajja. So that is a man kitegeeza oyo musajja, toli specific, toyawudde. Naye wogamba that is the man, oba oyawudde nti musajja oyo omutegeera bulungi. Wogamba that is a man, oyo musajja. So musajja yenna ayinza okuba that is a man. So okozesa a ne the yeyo enjawulo. The next example, please call for me a girl. Please call for me a girl, which means any girl can be called for you. But once you say please call for me the girl, so omuwala oyo omumanyi gw'oyogerako, eri oli agenda kubuuza muwala ki gw'oyagala, kubanga ogambye call for me the girl, muwala ki, mpitira omuwala oli, muwala ki. Naye wogamba please call for me a girl, kitegeeza mpitira omuwala yenna ayinza okuyitibwa kubanga oba toyawudde. But once you choose please call for me the girl, you are specific about the particular girl you want to be called for you. Okay, so that is how we use a and the in English and Luganda. Now you know the difference of when to use a and they. Okay, if you like the video, please you can subscribe, like and share. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Wait a